Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 3.7% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Micron Technology Inc. said it is considering building a new memory factory in the United States, but that state and federal subsidies will be needed to offset costs that are higher than its factories in Asia. London's FTSE 100 edged higher, helped by gains in consumer companies and data showing a modest easing in domestic inflation, although a slide in mining stocks capped the advance. A report from blockchain development platform Alchemy shows that the Polygon ecosystem is expanding rapidly and is increasingly growing independent from Ethereum.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 0430 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 GMT. The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 GMT. Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2200 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 2301 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.